Hi guys, welcome to Vixie's Vanity Vault. In today's video, I'll be showing you an easy peasy way to prepare your skin for makeup. Before we dive right into the video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video and share with your friends and family also on their makeup journey. Now let's get into the video. Preparing your skin for makeup is a crucial step to make sure your makeup applies smoothly, looks flawless and lasts longer. And when it comes to skin prep, there are 3 easy steps you can follow. The first is to cleanse your skin, the second is to hydrate, and then the third is to prime your face. So for cleansing, it is a very simple thing, washing your face with your face wash. Now if you don't have the opportunity to wash your face, you can always use micellar water to clean your face up, but the best option is using your face wash to clean your face properly. I already washed my face with my face wash because I'm in my house, so I'll be going over to hydration. Now it doesn't matter if your skin is dry or if you're an oily skin person, you still need to hydrate. Hydration is an important step for makeup or flawless makeup application. If you're an oily skin person, the level of hydration you need is different from that of a dry skin person. So I'm an oily skin person and I'll be going in with minimal but enough hydration, if that makes sense. Okay, so you can use a rose water if that is your toner, but my first step in hydration is toner, as I just said, and I'll be using my hyaluronic acid toner. This one is from Dr. Rachel and it looks like this. It is very good. So this one will draw in as much moisture as possible while not making my face come off oily. Side note, a fan is an important step, not just in your skin prep but even in your makeup application. If you don't have light, you need all these small fans like this, but if you have light, you can on your AC if you have this in your house, or your big fan. I have a big fan, but I did not put it on because of the noise, but I'll just use this fan to dry down the toner. So the usefulness of a fan, one, to dry, make your products settle in quickly, and two, to keep your temperature okay, that's your body temperature balanced, because if you are hot and you're applying your makeup, you're on your own. You need to be cool, you need your environment to be cool. Okay, that has settled in. And my next hydration, I know you can go in with your moisturizer if that's what you choose to, but I always just go straight to my sunscreen. So you need to apply your sunscreen all the time, but because again I'm an oily skin person, I said the level of hydration and moisturization I need is different from that of a dry skin person. If you are a dry skin person, you can go in with a hydrating toner, hydrating serum, and your hydrating moisturizer, and then your sunscreen. But again, I'm an oily skin person, I don't need that much hydration, so my hyaluronic acid toner and my moisturizing sunscreen is good enough. So this one is the Face Fact Ceramide Skin Barrier Complex Moisturizing Cream SPF 30. So this is what I use as my sunscreen and face moisturizer. Okay, so the sunscreen slash moisturizer has settled into my face now, and then we are going into the last part, which is priming. And for today I'll be using the Blossom Makeup Get a Grip primer. Looks like this. So it's supposed to be a dupe for the Milk Makeup primer or that elf one. I take this much, if you can see. I take this much and I just spread it around my face. I have to put it on my T-zone area because other parts of my face, they are good enough. They can do without primer. But you see this my T-zone. If you're an oily skin, sorry, I'm just checking this thing out. Okay, so again, if you're an oily skin person, this is the simple way to prepare your face for makeup. You don't need to do too much. All the extra hydration you probably see makeup artists do, that will be good enough for someone with dry skin. But if you're an oily skin person, you just need a good amount of hydration. First, you need to cleanse your skin properly, a good amount of hydration, which your hydrating toner. Please, not exfoliating toner. Just because I'm saying toner doesn't mean you go and use your glycolic acid. Please, I'm talking about your hydrating toner. There are various kinds of toners we have. I'm speaking mostly about your hydrating toner and your moisturizer. But instead of using a moisturizer, because sunscreen is important whether you're applying makeup or not, you can just go in straight with your sunscreen and then prime your face and you're good for makeup application. I will advise you to incorporate exfoliation in your skincare routine. So please do not exfoliate your face the day of your makeup application or the morning you want. You know, on a normal day, exfoliation is even for night time. But do not exfoliate your face the morning you'll be applying your makeup. You are the one that will experience it. That's how I've just left that. But every week, try as much as possible to exfoliate your face to get rid of the dead skin cell, and you will see that your makeup will apply even more flawlessly when you do that. I also advise you to incorporate face mask. So this is something you can do the day of your makeup application. If you are a dry skin person, you can use the popular sheet mask that we have all around. You can get it for any price or any amount, so you can do that. Before you do the skin prep, just use your sheet mask and then go in with your toner and moisturizer. You should be good if you are a dry skin person. But if you're an oily skin person, you should use a clay mask that day of, you want, especially if it's like makeup for weddings or a special event. Just use your clay mask, so you know that your clay mask is going to help control your oil production, so that way your face is even more mattified. So those are the two bonus tips I will advise you when preparing your skin for makeup. You don't want to forget to hydrate your lips as well. My lips is hydrated, so always go in with your lip balm. And then while you are showering, you can use your face brush. It's something like this. So this is my own face brush. I just use it to like scrub my lips here as well. It has the silicone thing here as well. This is what it looks like. So I just use it to scrub my lips so that the dead skin on it will lift off. And then when immediately I come out of the shower, I'm using my lip balm to keep my lips moisturized until I'm ready to apply my lipstick or lip gloss, whatever the case may be. So yeah, also don't forget to groom your brows as constantly as possible. It's not something you do all the time. You should always allow your brow grow and your eyebrow hair grow before you shape it again. But it will always look better when your eyebrow is groomed. So yeah, that is basically everything for this video. As I said, it is an easy peasy way to prepare your skin for makeup application. You can leave the extraness for the makeup artist, but if you're in your home and you are confused as to what to do before you start putting on your foundation, this is it. It is not hard, it's not rocket science. So yes, thank you so much for watching till this point. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It will mean a lot to me. Thank you so much once again, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.